But I've always felt like if I could just dangle by my head, that I would get relief. And sometimes, like, I'll just have my husband just to hold my neck, and I'll just pull down.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
What in the world happened? Like, what is going on, though?
Oh, Lord. In 2018, I was on a business trip, and I was parked, and I was hit from behind someone that, it was a teenager that was not paying attention. I was at a complete stop behind a tractor trailer, then I just missed his road. He plowed into the back of me.
Oh, gosh.
And I had headaches that just would not go away. And it wasn't like, I've never been one to have headaches. It was just constant. For 2 years, didn't know what it was. Then I was diagnosed with occipital neuralgia.
Okay.
Pinching of the nerves in the back of the head. And then immediately had surgery in 2020.
Okay.
In San Francisco at the beginning of the pandemic.
Yep.
The lockdown. They cut nerves, and then they moved, there was a lot of damaged nerves, so they cut those, and then they moved muscle away from the nerves.
Okay.
But I do have like 3 discs at the top that were bulging, whatever.
Yep.
It's been so long, I can't remember all the details.
Yeah.
But I've always felt like if I could just dangle by my head,
Yep.
I would get relief. And sometimes, like, I'll just have my husband just to hold my neck, and I'll just pull down. Surgery helped, but it took a year to recover.
What?
It was unreal. Like,
a year of recovery?
I was 9 months in bed, basically. I would get up, I homeschool my kids, so I'd get up and I'd fix food, help them with their schoolwork, and go right back to bed. My life has been really rough, almost 7 years now. So, it's been trying to figure out how to manage it. You know, went on different medicines, but nothing would really help. I finally just came off my last medicine.
Okay.
And thinking, well, if my headaches are worse, then it was helping some, but they didn't get better. Or they didn't get worse.
Okay.
They stayed the same.
Prior to 2018, the accident?
Never had a headache.
And then after that, it's been like, even like right now, do you?
I never am without a headache.
Are you kidding? So literally from that accident, you've had some form of a.
Yeah, chronic. And then I'll have like, so sometimes I'll have like dull pain.
Yeah.
At the back of my neck, just like, you know, space like that.
Yeah.
That's constant.
Okay.
But then I'll have like, I call them bee stings.
Okay.
It's like nerve pain that shoots. It's affected my vision, so I have bifocals now.
Oh my God.
I can't read anymore. Reading was like a big hobby. I can't do that anymore. Things like weather, the
pressure. Yeah.
will throw me in bed, basically. Bad headaches, stress, like I have to regulate stress. But after surgery, like I could feel the wind blowing, and it was like these things just crawling up my head. Like my nerves flipped out. They had to re-heal, or they had to heal, and so they had to relearn everything, and couldn't wash my hair, pulling my hair. Like I could feel every hair that's pulled.
Oh my gosh.
It's been really bad. Yeah. So someone gives me a hug, even now I'm like, you're full. So yeah.
Oh.
I mean, I feel like in one route I feel like I'm getting better, but I think I'm just learning how to manage it.
Yeah.
You know.
Because our bodies are smart. They learn to adapt. They learn to block out certain.
Yeah, it's been hard. It's been very hard.
Wow. So 2018, that has happened, and there's been nothing. The best has been the surgery, but like you said, 9 months of basically bed rest, a year of, a year of recovery. Holy crap. And still.
I'd say a year to just feel human.
Okay.
Like, I felt like I had a vice around my head that was squeezing in. Like, I wanted to die. I really wanted to die. And the only reason that I made it was because my husband basically said the only thing you have to do is just take care of yourself. You know, like it's okay.
Yeah.
And so he kind of gave me peace of mind. You know, the mom guilt. Can't do anything.
Yeah.
3 kids, you know.
How old?
Well, they're older now, but She was 7, so I had 7, 9, and yeah.
Okay.
My brain's not working.
So at least they weren't like little ones where they
They
really
weren't super
needed,
little, yeah.
like dependent on mama.
Right, yeah. But I homeschool, so it was, I'm supposed to be there and
Yeah.
and stuff. But they grew and they learned, and God was gracious through it. But daughter learned how to cook because I wasn't there. But it's been hard, and I feel like I've missed so much.
Yeah.
So much. But I'm just tired. I saw your videos, and I saw some people that had car wrecks and like the relief with everything, and I was like, well, I've always said if you just pull my neck, then I'd feel better. So I'm like, well, if that would relieve nerve pain, like if it was pinched, or I don't know.
So what would life be like without headaches?
The kids would probably panic because I'm all the time getting into projects and stuff. Even I fight through pain.
Yeah.
There'll be no stopping me if that was. Her eyes are really big right now. I don't know. I've learned a lot. I've learned how to be sympathetic for people that have pain.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Dang. But I'm hoping you can do it.
Well, let's get you some relief. That's for sure.
So, yeah.
Let's check that leg length. Yeah, left leg is quite a bit shorter than the right. There you go like this. You can bring your arms. Yeah, right up there. Perfect. Whew. Okay. All this is tight up here. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness with me pushing in like this. Oh my gosh. Oh.
That was kind of tender through there.
What was it?
I don't know. No, it was a little bit tender at the top.
Okay. Yeah, holy cow. Dude, even both your traps don't feel symmetrical. Your left one is pulling way different than your right. Oh my gosh. Okay. Any issues like down here?
My hip is always messed up. I feel like I have to push on this side a lot
Okay.
to pop it, and then that will give me relief. But every time I go to the chiropractor, they push the other side, so I don't know.
Okay. Well, I can tell you right now, today's gonna be a lot different than anything you've ever had.
I've watched your videos, and I'm like, yes.
Good. How does that feel?
Oh, it hurts like the top.
Okay.
Especially when you're coming over the shoulder blade.
And I'm gonna start up top here. Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Dang. Dang, there
Oh
we
my goodness.
Yeah, that was the one that I was wanting. Holy cow.
My grandma would have flipped.
Good. I'm gonna drop to the middle thoracic spine.
No.
little bit lower here. Let me have you sit up on the table, go one leg on each side. Okay. Bring, yep, that arm up. The other one up here. Good. Keep your knees just a little bit tight to the table. Perfect. This is a sitting lumbar adjustment. I'm going to rotate you this way. There we go. Heck yeah. You can relax your arms.
Watching the videos, you think you're ready, but you're not.
Don't worry, I always love seeing the comments where people think I edit in cracks or whatnot.
Oh, yeah.
Like, no, not at all. It's just what the noises I can get out of people.
It's a lot louder than I thought it would be.
Dang, yeah, this is, I mean, gosh,
Yeah.
holy crap. Now, how is the headache today?
It's bad.
Okay.
It's not like put me in bad, but it's just my typical bad headache.
Holy crap. I hope you got like a crap ton of money from a lawsuit with all of that happening.
No. And in fact, I had to pay most of the medical bills.
What?
So his insurance was capped. So.
How the F is that any of your problem?
I know. Well, I had to pay out of pocket for surgery and everything. Yep.
Oh, wow.
MRIs on top of MRIs.
Oh man, I hope a lawyer is watching this and they hear this and like, oh, you know, I can pick this up and get this.
It was bad.
Wow.
Just because the kid felt like his phone was more important.
That's terrible. And then everything, all the repercussions on you.
Oh, yeah.
You know, from being completely healthy, fine, and then here you are, headaches 24/7, the pain, the whatnot, the surgeries that you never needed to have, the literally losing quality time.
Oh, yeah.
You know, there's nothing that puts a price on time. And here you are, your little ones are growing up on you,
I know.
right in front of you.
That's been the worst part. My oldest is 19. That hurts really bad. I'm not...
Painful in here too?
A little bit. Oh, yeah, right there.
Okay. The upper back as well.
I am glad for your channel, though, because I wouldn't have ever dreamed of coming down here. West Virginia farmers don't go to Tampa.
But no, that's honestly why, you know, I put the videos out.
Yeah.
You never know what video will connect with somebody, especially with what they're living with in their life. And, you know, as somebody, when you're in pain and you have no idea what to do or where to go or where to turn, and then you see somebody who's experiencing, you know, similar type pains as you and getting relief, you know, that's why that's why I love YouTube in general.
Yeah.
I mean, I use it for even the dumbest things. I got how-to, like the how-to crap.
For sure. Whew. I never thought so much pain could come from it. Holy moly.
Well, one thing that you should notice on all my videos is I am going to do what's necessary. Trust me, at times my process is going to suck. It's not fun, but I'm going to do what's going to get you better. And that's the main thing.
Well, I like too that you do the full body and not just little things and you have kind of 20 times a week. You know?
Exactly. Never understood that at all. Working for different docs, and I'm like, why do I need to keep seeing them 3 times a week? If I clear out their issues, like I get maintenance because life happens and whatnot, but every few months I get that. Or if somebody comes right from a crazy trauma, I get right in the beginning, a few sessions back to back to back to get them out of whatever it is, but the whole goal is. Even if it was just once a month, just say I could get that.
Yeah.
But so many, it's like you're going multiple times a week. Like, oh my gosh.
But they'd only do like 3 or 4 things, and that was it.
Yeah.
You can't handle more than that. And you're thinking, well, if your body's out of place in another area, wouldn't it prevent that area from staying the way it needs to?
Yep.
Out of kilter? I don't know. Well, I did chiropractor for a long while, and it was an hour and a half away.
Good. How are you feeling?
Okay, I guess.
Yeah, as I'm beating you up, digging in on you, but go face down again for me. Oh, dang, that's spot on. Wow, let me re-show that. Because you were a good bit off on the leg length originally.
That was mainly just from up at the top where you worked, or?
Well, we did do the seated lumbar adjustment too.
Okay.
That did get lower, but yeah, it's your balance there. Like it was bad when you first went down. How does it feel when I push in?
I don't feel any pain.
Good. Flip onto your back. Relax your legs, relax, relax. Good. Have you ever had leg pulls done?
No.
Okay. I know this is what you
Yes.
have been wanting. Lift up. And
Oh, Lord have mercy. Whoa.
What did you feel?
Just cracking all the way down.
Good.
I was not anticipating it being that loud, though. feel like it went like to my mid back.
Okay.
I've been needing that for 7 years.
Don't worry, you're still getting another one done.
Oh. I've constantly felt like I needed the top part of my back popped.
Did you?
Yeah. Like I'd even have like my husband just give me a bear hug and just pull up because I'm so desperate for relief. It's probably like the worst thing I could do, but.
No, definitely not the worst. Say the worst is getting rear-ended.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, by far. That's actually very soothing up there, though.
Is it? Didn't it hurt up here?
It did when I couldn't hardly stand it when you first did it.
Yeah.
Now it's like, oh, okay. I can't comprehend how it was, it was like so painful when you first did that.
Yeah. Keep your knees, scoot down just a tiny bit. Yeah.
My grandma's in there telling all kinds of stories. I don't know why I've always been nervous about the second one.
This second one, trust me, it's way easier than the first. Way easier.
Oh! Yeah, that went down to my hip.
Good.
Wow.
Catch your breath.
My goodness. You're definitely not exaggerating. If anything, you're underestimating it.
Good, so first one was about mid-back and the second one all the way.
Yeah, it definitely went all the way down.
But yeah, rest, catch your breath.
Oh my goodness, I have needed that so bad.
Yes, you did.
Mm.
Yeah, if only you came to me back in 2018.
Oh, I know.
Back then you would have been coming to, when I first started, in Spartanburg, South Carolina.
Well, we almost went to Greensboro.
Yeah, Greenville.
Yeah. Or Greenville, yeah. But this is actually better for us because of my grandma living in Orlando. So.
Yeah. That's nice. You get to make a
Yeah.
trip out of it. And
Yeah. Oh my goodness. That felt so much better.
I know. I mean, well, you knew that you needed something like this done.
Yeah.
Considering how you said you've always felt like trying to get somebody to like pull your.
Yeah, I was like, just let me dangle. My husband would get nervous, but I'm like, I have to. I was like, I'm in so much pain.
Yeah, especially with everything you've been through, like.
I just cannot believe that like pulling it affects so far down.
Right.
Wow.
And then you can turn this way. any little bit of pain, people like.
Yeah.
Like, why live with it? I mean, no, you like to a sense, and you are correct. I get like craziest of the craziest, and
Yeah.
you know, I get everything, to be honest.
Yeah. Well, for me, I've had a baby myself. You know, like I can't let people pull my hair. Can't, you know, like I should have probably put my hair up today, but you know, it's like I've had a baby. Everything, because I didn't want to make it worse. So I was afraid, you know, like, is it going to make it worse? And then I would see chronic patients come in. I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, if he can handle them, he can handle mine. But if I live closer, oh, yeah.
Grandma's going to be the new best friend. Huh?
Yeah. For real.
How do you feel?
I feel taller right here. I just feel like my neck is longer. It feels a lot different.
How's the headache?
It's not gone, but it's greatly improved. But I think too, where mine is nerve related, I'll probably feel rough for a couple days just touching the nerves, you know.
Yeah.
But I definitely feel like it's a lot different.
Good. Well,
a lot. Like I don't feel
it to me. I mean, any bit. Like if you can drop that.
Oh yeah. Well, I don't feel congested. I felt like it was just crammed.
Yeah.
Together. I don't feel like that. I do feel like my neck got longer. So I look like a giraffe.
Stand up, move around.
Yeah. That feels a lot better.
Okay.
The only thing I can feel is my hip, which when I was carrying my youngest son, my hip went out of place.
Okay.
And so I've dealt with that for years, and I think I've been putting it in the wrong place to get comfort.
Okay.
You know,
Where
I don't
do
know.
you feel?
I feel like I need to like pop it this way.
On the right side?
Yeah. But I don't. Yeah. That's what I've always felt like.
Let's check it. Yep, lay on your side.
On the side?
Yep. Flip to your other side.
I think that already feels better.
Does it?
Yeah.
Good.
Knee pops all the time. Yeah, I can lay on my back better now.
Good.
Yeah. Ooh, I can feel it there. Definitely feel like I need to do more stretches. But even like my heart rate, like I can't exercise and get my heart rate up or my head hurts.
Really?
Yeah, so that's really been bad. So I'll do enough, and then when my heart rate starts getting faster, I have to stop.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that feels a lot better.
Come on.
Wow. Yeah. That's great. Yes.
Good.
Yeah. It's a lot better.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, I don't have any pain there now.
Good.
The right side of my head, I still feel
Sit
like
real
that nerve pain, but
See, I know this might be just because of all the stuff that has been done. Hopefully it hasn't permanently messed something up here.
whew. Whoa. Gonna need a minute after that one.
Good.
So could you tell like it was all tight right there?
Your neck in general is still, like you could use like a full, like deep tissue to
Yeah.
help relax all of that in there.
I think that feels better though.
Good.
It's probably just going to take me a while to really see.
A lot
How
of the
much
time,
is-
it'll take, like you'll notice even in about 30 minutes from now will be a lot different than even right now.
Yeah,
It's
I'm
just
sure.
those muscles have been locked up, bones have been out of alignment and compressed for 7-8 years now.
Yeah.
And finally when it removes that pressure, through the adjustments, with time
Right.
everything starts finally letting go, the muscles start letting go, and that's why a lot of times
Yeah.
people really feel the best about a day to 2 days later.
Right.
But yeah, even today, like I said, in like 30 minutes, you'll be like, holy crap.
Well, it already feels better.
Yeah.
I can already tell, but I can tell the tightness and stuff where,
Yeah.
that's going to have to go away, but
Yeah, I was
I
just
don't
happy
feel-
that, like, basically instantly you already noticed that much of a change with the headache,
yeah.
which,
Well, I mean, right now I just feel like it's tighter up higher.
mhm,
I don't have the pain I was just having a few minutes ago.
okay.
That's gone, but I feel like it's just where it twisted,
Yep, yep,
you
yep.
know, the moving of it. But no, that feels better.
Okay. I mean, that much just
Yeah.
in one adjustment, and, with dealing with
Yeah.
all that crap for 7-8 years now is,
Well, I didn't expect it to be like 100% like gone right off the bat because when you have so many years of,
yeah.
pain, it can't necessarily always get better so quick. But no, that's different. No, it's not pulsing like it was.
Good.
So that's a big difference.
Good.
Oh,
Your body's finally getting into like the right direction it needs.
Well, when you were doing the massage on my neck the first time, I was like, oh my word, that is like chronic pain. I was like really suffering through that. And then the next time I was like, oh, this feels good. You know, so I mean, my daughter tries to massage the top part because I'm always complaining. But yeah, it feels a lot better.
Good. This is how you need to be feeling.
Long time coming.
Definitely.
Yeah.